Hi! In front of me is ZTE Axon 30, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this smartphone. Firstly, you need to access Settings and scroll down. Now click on Password and Security. From here, you need to tap on Face Recognition under Fingerprint and enter your current screen lock or set it up if you don't have it. Now read the instructions and disclaimers and tap on Accept at the bottom right corner. Now you need to choose Create Now, follow all instructions on the screen and keep your face in frame. After that, you can click on Unlock Phone and select one of those options. I will go with Swipe to unlock when recognized and click on Home button. So now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!